Hello dear Sagittarius, this is Anjali Tarot and this is a reading for January 2021. This is a love and relationship reading. So take it how it resonates with you. It might or might not resonate with everyone around you, Sagittarius. So let's quickly see. So your partner's energy right now is the 8 of Swords energy. So they are not they're not coming out of their shell. They are in the jail. They are feeling like, might be they are in a real jail, it can also be possible. So they are feeling like trapped, they are feeling like bounded, and they are feeling like no, they are not able to make any kind of decision. They are feeling stuck, they are feeling bad, they are feeling really very stuck in this relationship or in this partnership. On the other hand, your energy is a magician. You are manifesting this person again in your life. You are manifesting this person big time. You are feeling like this is the only person for me. This person is making me happy. This person holds the key to my heart, and you are manifesting them right now. Okay, and how they see you? They see you as a 2 of Swords. They feel like you are on the crossroads, or you are not able to make a decision, or you are not. Maybe it can also be possible there is some kind of energy, there is some kind of different energy as well present here, and you are not making any kind of decision towards anybody. You are Sagittarius, you are feeling stuck. You are, according to them, I'm telling you, according to them, you are stuck and you are dealing with 2 parties at the same time, and you're not making any kind of movement or decision right now. On the other hand, you feel like this person is secretive and this person is not making you feel like open communication is not there, and they are being acting mysterious or secretive or something like that. You are feeling like this person is not acting in a good manner, in a good way, and you are feeling like no, this is not what I wanted in my life. Okay, and what they feel for you is Judgment card. What you feel for them is 8 of Cups energy. So they feel they are assessing the past with you. They are assessing what you did in the past. They are assessing what you guys were in the past together, when you guys were together, how this relationship was going. So they are assessing everything, and this is the card of reconciliation as well. There will be a communication. There will be something that will going to happen in the near future. But right now it is kind of energy that is not kind of happy energy. I'm really sorry. And what you feel for this relationship is 8 of Cups energy. Maybe you are walking away from this particular person or from this particular relationship because you are not finding the happiness, but you are manifesting happiness. You are manifesting this person in your life, and in the at the same time you are walking away from this relationship. You are walking away from this person because you feel like that this is not working out in your favor. Okay, so what they want from this relationship, they want balance in this relationship. They want emotional balance, they want patience, they want you to be patient. They want you to be like okay, don't rush into anything, give me some space, give me some time. They need their own sweet time to come out of their shell and say something to you. On the other hand, what you want from this relationship, this is a 3 of Cups energy. You want to reconciliate with them. You want a reconciliation, you want to talk to them. But what I can feel is this can also be a third party situation. Maybe you are dealing with 2 parties at the same time, or vice versa, and you want this person to come out of this third party situation and come to you with a commitment or with an apology or whatever it is that you know better. Okay, so the energy from their side, the outcome is the 4 of Swords. They are not making any kind of decision. They are in their meditation phase. They are stuck somewhere and they are not taking any kind of decision right now. On the other hand, the Chariot energy is there. Again, the card of reconciliation. Somebody is coming to your life, but this card is telling me that you are moving forward with all your strength, all your courage. You are not like sulking and crying or doing anything that is going to make you more negative, but contrary to that, you are going to move forward with courage. You are like, okay, whatever happens is happening for my best, and whatever will come out, I will handle it. Okay, so this is the energy for you guys. So the lesson for you guys is the Knight of Pentacles. So this person, this knight, is moving very slowly. He's very slow. He's like kind of person who takes baby steps. So this is a lesson for you guys, Sagittarius. You have to take baby steps towards this relationship or towards your own improvement, your relationship. You have to assess the relationship in your past, and you have to take baby steps towards any kind of new decision or new relationship in your life. And yeah, just a second, just give me a second. An opportunity for growth is the Nine of Pentacles card is there. I see you as a single person and you are manifesting wealth maybe. See, you are manifesting this person in your life, or maybe you are manifesting some soulmate kind of relationship in your life, but the universe is telling me that you have to be on your own. Opportunity for growth is like this is the Nine of Pentacles. You have to be on your own for some time. So work on yourself, work on your luxury, work on your finances, work on your inner healing. Okay, and things to let go is the Hermit card. So you have to look into yourself. So you have to let go of this isolation thing. You are feeling lonely maybe, or you are feeling like the whole world is against you, but no, this is not the case. So you have to come out of this hermit mode. You have to, go and talk to people, have some fun, have party, and communicate with other people as well. Don't get stuck into this energy of this person is my everything. Okay, and the opportunity for and the outcome, or you can say the guidance for this particular thing, for all this mess, is the Star card. There is hope for a better future. There is a hope that you will heal from this relationship issues, and you are going to come out as a winner if you are ready to take the charge of your life, and if you are ready to take baby steps towards relationship issues in your life in January 2021. So Sagittarius, this is all for you. I hope it will help you and it will guide you. What you have to do in your life in January 2021. I know this is not a very happy reading, but yes, I have to tell you the truth. Okay, I will not sugarcoat anything just because you will feel good. You need to listen to the truth. Okay, so this is all about you, Sagittarius. I hope you like it. Do let me know in the comment section below. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. Have a happy new year.